over 6'10", might instill fear in other men, but not in me. The mighty flee. Ask if I am mouse or man. The mirror squeaked away I ran. He'll murder me in time for his tea. Does it bother me at all? My rival is Neanderthal. It makes me think perhaps I need a drink. IQ is no problem here. We won't be playing